yoga with me. I'm going to stress on the asanas which will help you to build up your immune system as well as make your respiratory system strong. So what is required for building up your respiratory system is your diaphragm should be in place, your lungs should be expanded to the fullest so that you can store in more amount of oxygen in all the oxygen sacs, that is the alveolus, into your lungs. Most of us don't use this. Pranayamas have been explained, but as a therapy I use this pranayama in a different way. If the time permits, I'll show you how to use this pranayama as a therapy. Some of the asanas which can be used with the pranayama as a therapy, that also I'll show you. But the general asanas that everybody can do, from the smallest to the eldest, to fight this pandemic, you just have to give your 15 minutes. So the next 15-20 minutes you have to be with me to learn this. So stay with me and we'll start with the asanas. Now for doing any exercise or any activity, you should see that the joints which are there in your body should be loosened up and the muscles holding the joint should be stretched, otherwise you might end up into some problem. So it is necessary that you do some warm-up. We'll show you quick warm-up that you can do and quick loosening up that you can do. You have to spend some more time if you have not done any practice any time. If you are doing some walking, if you are doing some jogging, if you are doing some sports activity, then it is okay with you. But all those who are not doing anything have to do the warm-up activities. Okay. So for doing this, I'll just take out and stand up. I'll show you some loosening activity and some of the loosening exercises, general loosening exercise that all can do easily and freely. Starting with your neck, 5 rounds from left side and 5 rounds from right side. If you are elder person, see that you don't move your neck all around, but you can move touching your chin to the side, move from left side and then to the right side. All those elders about 55 and 60 plus, if you are not doing exercise. Other young ones can just slowly move from left to right or right to left, starting 5 times each side. While doing this exercise, you should be careful to breathe out and then breathe in. Exhale slowly and inhale as you get back. 5 times each side. Okay, this is done with your first joint. Next is your shoulder joint. Hold your hands parallel and just move around fully, rotating your shoulders. So free your arms 5 times clockwise and 5 times anti-clockwise. The next joint that we'll be using is your elbow joint. Hold your hands tight, bend your elbows, get it close and open up. 2, 3, 4 and 5, opposite 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. The most useful is your wrist joint because you will be holding your wrist. Hold and rotate 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, opposite 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Next, your hip joint. You can rotate hips. There are various exercises that you can do to rotate your, loosen up your hip joint. The most thing that you can do is bend sideways so that you can extend your side muscles. So tap from left side and right side, 2, 3, 4 and 5. You can bend forward and back, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Rotate clockwise and anti-clockwise. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Opposite side. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next is your knee joint. All those above 55, if you are not doing exercise, please don't rotate your knee. You can do it, just hold it up, bring it down, hold it up, bring it down, hold it up, and bring it down. Hold it up, bring it down, hold it up, bring it down, hold it up, and bring it down. Hold behind, up, down, up, down. Okay, this is more than enough for you to get your knee set for the exercise. Next is your ankle joint. Move up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. The other side, up and down, up and down, up and down. Rotate clockwise 5 times and anti-clockwise 5 times. Okay, this is done with your loosening. Now, the muscles holding the joints. The muscles holding the joints has to be stretched so that you don't cause any harm to your body. Starting with the neck, just move your on looking above your shoulder and stretch 2, 3, 4, and 5. And other side 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just drop it down and stretch 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the other side 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can stretch it for more time. Here we are doing it for just 5 seconds. Okay. Your shoulder joint. Take it across and press your elbow and stretch 2, 3, 4, and 5. And other side stretch 2, 3, 4, and 5. You can stretch it more. There are more exercises that you can do. Stretch it front, stretch it up, stretch it back, and stretch fully. Okay, likewise, you can stretch your thigh muscles. Just bend down and stretch 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With the other side, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Just take it up and stretch 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the other side, 2, 4, and 5. We have stretched our muscles holding all the joints. There are more stretching exercises that you can do, but you have to spend some time to do it. Okay? Now it is more important that you do some activity for your heart as well as your lungs. Your lungs should be ready to do the exercise and your heart should be ready to pump the blood. Heart to store the oxygen and the lung to store the oxygen and heart to push up the blood. Because you have to do the blood circulation for the whole body. So we'll do quick warm up. Surya Namaskar is one of the quick warm up. And first thing that we are going to do is jumping jacks. Okay? So we'll do jumping jacks. Simple. You can do it 5 sets of 20 repetition each. We'll be doing just one. It is just like the toy that we do, jumping jack. You must have seen it on various twists and chakras that you go to. Just jump and back. Jump and back. And jump and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. And move to the side and side so that you free your back. More important, to get extra space on your lungs, your back should be free. If you get any spasm on your back, you will feel difficulty in breathing. Okay, simple asanas that we'll be doing. Before that, we have to do Surya Namaskara. So Surya Namaskara or sun salutation. I believe, I call myself as Surya Pratiputra because the existence of very earth is because of the sun, and we are living here, all the living beings, immaterial of your religion, caste, creed. All the living beings on this earth are existing because of the earth. If you are existing because of the earth can exist because of the sun. So all have to do sun salutation. It is very simple. You are doing 12 asanas. If you do it 12 into 12, you are doing 144 exercises. That is what we want to do it. Okay? Simple. We'll do the demonstration first. Into this Namaskara position. We'll do of 12 asanas. 1. Ardha Chakrasana. 2. Padhastasana. 3. Virasana or Vipadasana. 2, 4 Vajrasana, Sashtang Namaskarasana, Bhujangasana, again Sashtang Namaskarasana, back Parvatasana, next leg comes in front, Padasana, Ardha Chakrasana, and Namaskar. Okay, so we'll do it to the count now. We'll be doing this side. I'll be doing a cross and show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, other leg will come in front, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay, so this is a simple way that you can do exercise slowly. So, and all the young ones, all our students, we are putting our challenge. Next 7 days challenge. You have to take a video for 1 minute and I'll post it on any of the teachers group. The best 10, I'll give you the prize. Okay? So we'll do it for 1 minute with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I give one picture. Om Ram Vitraya Namaha. Om Rim Rave Namaha. Om Rum Suryaya Namaha. Om Ram Bharve Namaha. Om Ram Sudaya Namaha. Om Raha Pushke Namaha. Om Ram Hiranyagarbhaya Namaha. Om Rim Manise Namaha. Om Rum Aditya Namaha. Om Ram Savitri Namaha. Om Ram Arkaya Namaha. Om Raha Bhaskaraya Namaha. 10 names for 10 different positions of the sun of the day to give you enough energy. Everything works on this earth is because of the universal power, and that is the energy of the sun given to the planet, to all the planets. Okay, so we have warmed up. All our joints, all the muscles are ready to do the asanas. So some simple asanas that we are going to show to fight this COVID situation, which will help you to expand your lungs, the capacity to store in oxygen, help you to pump the blood from the heart so that you pass on to the whole body the amount of oxygen required, about 90%, 95%. So that every time you have a check with the oximeter, you should have 95, 96, 97, 98% of oxygen to your body. The whole body is full of oxygen, okay? 3 standing, 3 sitting, 3 lying down on the floor. There are many asanas that we can do, and if the time permits, I'll show you some of the pranayama kriyas as a therapy. So we start with first Tadasana, which will help you expand your lungs capacity. Hold your hands in line of your shoulders, legs in line of your shoulders, push it up and come up. And we'll be holding for 5 seconds. You hold it for 10 seconds, 1 minute, up to 1 minute or 2 minutes. 3, 4, and 5. Next part of legs touching each other. Push it up and come up on your toes. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Triyak Tadasana is that you extend yourself starting from left side, hold it tight and bend on the left side, stretch your whole side and hold it for a count of 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Start with 5 seconds. Increase it up to 10 seconds and more. 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are various exercises that you can do. We'll show a little bit of Kati Chakrasana. There are 3, 4 parts of Kati Chakrasana. We'll show you just 1 or 2 parts of Kati Chakrasana. Hold, And bend on left side. 2, 3, 4, and 5. See that you stretch yourself as much as you can so that you have got good extension of your body and you are giving enough space to expand your lungs. Likewise, distance in line of your shoulders, hands at left of shoulders. Turn as much as you can and hold 2, 3, 4, and 5. And on the other side, turn and hold 2, 3, 4, and 5. There are various other exercises that you can do, but this is more important so that you don't have any spasm on your back. Because if you have spasm on your back, it becomes difficult for you to breathe and you become breathless. Okay? So these are the standing postures that we have shown you. There are many that we can show, but we are just showing because the time limit we are doing less. Okay? Now we will be doing the sitting postures. Sitting in Vajrasana. Just sit. The first asana that I will be showing you is Ustrasana. Sit comfortably on your heel, sitting on the heel in Vajrasana. Because it will be difficult for most of you all to straight away come back and go down on your catching that heel. Okay, so slowly catch your heel and see that you put your buttocks up and chest up as much as you can and try to look behind. This is very good exercise to strengthen your lungs and increase the capacity of your lungs. Hold for 5 seconds and slowly get back. If the time permits, I will show you the therapy with this Ustrasana doing the Pranayama Kriya. Next thing that we do is the camels don't get any problem with this breathing. No respiratory related problems for any of the camels. The asanas that are named with either of the animals, posture of the animals, or posture that is available in the nature, the diagrams and pictures that are there in the nature, like mountain and so on. Gomukhasana. The cow also doesn't have any respiratory problem. Say that you fold your knees and you have folded the right knee on top, right leg on top and the left leg below. You should see that your knees come in line. Now if your right leg on top, you have the right hand from top and the left hand from down. And try to hold all the fingers behind. If you can hold all the fingers behind, it is okay. Beginning, if you cannot hold, it is okay to start with. You have to see that you hold your hands behind, all the fingers touching each other. Straighten up your head and neck so that you keep your diaphragm in position and allow your lungs to the maximum capacity to store oxygen. Slowly release. Now to the other side, place your right foot down and left foot on top. See that your knees come in line, left hand comes on top and the right hand comes from down. Try to hold all the fingers touching each other. Keep your neck and head straight so that you can give enough space for your lungs to expand, keeping diaphragm in the position. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly release. Next that we will be showing is Vakrasana. Keep your left leg straight. Bend your right leg. If your right leg is bent, you must place your right hand behind. Now for the beginners, what you can do is, with the left hand, hold your knee and pull it towards your chest and hold it. All for the beginners, starting you can do this. For the others, what you have to do is, if you can extend your hand, you can hold your ankle. And if you have practiced enough, move it, hold the knee of the straight leg, turn and look behind. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly get back. Do the same on the other side. Keep your other leg straight, left leg bent, place the left hand behind. For the beginners, hold your knee and bring it to your chest, or you can get it across and hold the ankle, or you can get it across your practice, hold the knee and look behind. 2, 3, 4 and 5.
Just for the information of the students, the Gomukhasana which he showed just now, The person who performs the Gomukhasana perfectly and does it regularly will never get heart attack in his life. It makes the heart very strong because that is the only asana where you can stretch the heart muscle. And the second asana which he showed, you will never get diabetes in your life. So Namdev sir has not explained the advantages of it, but he's doing all the asana of the
explaining
perfection.
to in connection to only the pandemic situation. There are various these advantages given by all the asanas. These we are cutting short only because of the pandemic. Whatever that you can do asanas to fight the pandemic situation. You can contact me, then I'll tell you what all the other benefits. Okay. Now, place your Ardha Matsyendrasana. Place your right foot down, left foot above. Okay, getting it across. Now, if your left leg comes from top, the left hand will come behind. The other hand, you can either hold like this, get it like this, or place your palm down and look behind. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Do the same on the other side. This allows you to, you can say, twist your trunk completely. It helps for contracting your pancreas and spleen, which will be beneficial for your diabetes, as well as it gives you expansion of your lung capacity. This is what we want to need of the hour. So we do this and look behind. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so these are some of the asanas, sitting asanas, each one of us can do. Now we will be doing some of the sleeping asanas to have the back as well as your Bhujangasana. We'll do the 3 parts of Bhujangasana. Place your palms in line of your shoulders, legs touching each other, toes pointing backwards, chin resting on the floor. Depending upon how you want to extend, the first part will extend your low back and stretch your low back. Elbows touching the floor, try to push up yourself and try to look at the ceiling. 2, 3, 4, and 5. In the first, my elbows are touching the floor. I am lifting myself up to my navel and giving the full stretch on my spine as well as back. This gives expansion for your lungs. Next part, place your palms one above the other, chin resting on the knuckles, legs touching each other, toes pointing backwards. Push yourself up completely. Now I am lifting myself from the hip joint and look at the ceiling, holding yourself up. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly get back. Third part of Bhujangasana, distance in between legs, toes pointing outwards, palms placed in line of your shoulders, chin resting on the floor. Push yourself up as much as you can from the hip. Look over your shoulders to the opposite leg and hold for a count of 5. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good expansion for your lungs as well as stretch on your back. What we are looking out for, fighting the pandemic situation to increase our respiratory system function. 2, 3, 4, and 5. This has got various other advantages. Go down, and the other position that we are going to show is Balasana. It is good for resting as well as make yourself comfortable in Chatushpadasana. Hold down and sleep as if the child sleeps. This also helps in increasing your lungs capacity. This becomes a good resting posture as well as posture to increase your lungs capacity. So Sorin, try these exercises and it will help you more. The other thing that we are going to show you is first sleeping on your back. There are various exercises, but we are showing you 3 of each. Lying down on your back. You can do with one leg, all the beginners. Bring your leg up, Ardha, Sarvangasana, toe pointing upwards, feel the stretch on your whole leg. If you want support, you can hold it like this. For all the experts, you can hold your hand up, straighten up, bring it down on left side, up, hold it with the opposite hand and bring it down on right side. If you are not doing practice, you cannot do this. Okay, do the same with the other leg. Up, point your toe upwards and hold. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Do the same with both the legs and hold. This will help to to flow all the unwanted or unreachable blood from your leg sources opposite the gravity to come to your heart so that heart can pump the good blood towards us. Each and every one of us does this for 5 minutes in a day. You are getting rid of most of your ailments. Pointing upwards. You can hold and do it. Okay, slowly get back. There are various postures that you can do with Ardha Sarvangasana. Next thing that we do is, this will be little difficult, but all the young ones can do this. Elders can just practice by taking the support of Sarvangasana. Take your legs behind completely. Hold your back and get your legs straight, pointing towards your ceiling, and hold. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly get back and go back into Shavasana for a while. Turn on the left hand side. Sleep on your left hand, holding your knees. Be aware of the surroundings. Slowly get up. So these are some of the asanas that we have shown you. If there is a time, we have got only 3 minutes. Okay, we could have shown you the therapy. So therapy are the most things that we do. Asanas along with the pranayama. Most of the asanas that you do as a therapy with the pranayama, we have got pranayama which can be done with Sarvasana, pranayama which can be done with Vyagrasana, pranayama which can be done with the Chiri, pranayama that can be done with Ardhavata. Okay, so those 4, 5 can be done to increase your capacity of the lungs to store in more oxygen, and what is required is blood circulation. So entire body gets blood circulation along with the oxygen. And this we can prove you. If you can give me some time, anywhere, anytime, within 5 minutes, I can prove you the effect on your body. This is the great benefit that yoga has given us. Indians don't believe, but the whole world practices this. You ask for breathing technique, that is pranayama, and you have to pay 20,000 plus in America and in Europe. Here we are giving it for free, nobody takes the benefit. And it is a proven science, nature's science. Any pranayama, I can prove you the effect of this pranayama in 2 minutes on the body. Immediate effect. Okay. So thank you very much for giving me this time. If the time permits, next time we'll do the yoga therapy. Asanas with yoga therapy.
Thank you very much, Dr. Namdev, Manjula and Sandesh, for giving us a very good performance of yoga. Today, in fact, some of us also came to know what Dr. Namdev is, and we are not taking advantage of him. But I will try to take the fullest advantage. They have given a very good exercise in the yoga practices for our students during this pandemic situation. I also take this opportunity to thank PTA for organizing this function. Principal Madam Nelly Rodriguez for helping. I also thank another colleague of ours who is very good in yoga, Mr. Vishwanath Swar, for demonstrating all the pranayams. And I also thank my live telecast team for capturing all the moments. Thank you very much, Vanna. Thank you.
sir.